Last June I got a bike. Dad spent a lot of cash on it. It has a strong red frame. It has a small bell. I can use the bell ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling. I take care of the bike. I rub and scrub it. I shine the frame with wax. I will not let rust get on it. When it is not in use, I lock it in the shed. I think it is safe in the shed. Well, I hope it is. If I get a flat tire, I can mend the hole in the tube. Then I just pump it up. Mum and Dad get cross when I ride fast on it. I tell them that I can pull the brakes with no fuss. I did not fall off it yet. I am fond of this red bike.